Unpack the phrase, sound off, meanings and usage. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning fun and easy. Today, we have a special topic that may sound familiar, but do you know what it actually means to sound off? This phrase can be a bit tricky because it has more than one meaning depending on the context. So, in this video, we'll dive deep into the world of this expression, helping you understand and use sound off like a native speaker. Let's get started. Sound off has a strong military background. Traditionally, it's an order given to troops, meaning to count off or yell out their presence. It's a way for soldiers to express their readiness or to check attendance in a loud and clear manner. When someone in the military says, sound off, the soldiers respond by shouting out numbers to indicate their respective positions in line or to announce that they are present and alert. In everyday language, sound off has taken on a broader meaning. It's often used to invite someone to express their opinion or to speak up about something. For instance, if someone says, I want everyone to sound off on this issue, they're looking for everyone's input. It's a way of encouraging open discussion and ensuring that all voices are heard. Sometimes, sound off is used specifically to mean complaining or speaking out against something. In this sense, it's not just sharing any opinion, but rather voicing dissatisfaction. For example, the employees sounded off about the new policy changes, meaning they expressed their concerns or displeasure openly. You might also hear sound off in songs or movies, where it's used as a catchy phrase. In these contexts, it's all about raising one's voice, whether in a literal or figurative sense. It emphasizes the action of making noise, being loud, and getting noticed. This usage keeps the original energy of the phrase but applies it to a wider range of situations outside the military. That's all for sound off. We've covered the military roots of the phrase, how it's used in casual conversation to invite opinions, and its role as an expression of disagreement. Remember, understanding the context is key to using it correctly. We hope this video has clarified the meanings for you and you feel more confident using sound off in English. If you've got any questions or topics you want us to sound off on in future videos, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips. Happy learning, and see you next time.